Stomach growling, or borborygmi, is a natural response when we feel hungry. This rumbling sound occurs due to the movement of gas and fluids in the intestines. When the stomach is empty, it undergoes rhythmic contractions known as peristalsis, which helps clear out leftovers from previous meals. As these contractions occur, the gases produced during digestion can create audible sounds. This phenomenon isn't just a sign of hunger. It also indicates that your digestive system is active and ready for food. Interestingly, the brain can trigger these contractions even when you're not hungry, reminding you to eat and signaling your body's need for nourishment. Understanding this can deepen our awareness of hunger cues.